Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss how to set up calendar control in mainform in Microsoft Dynamics 365 CE. So I want to show you exactly like that. So I want to add calendar control in account entity mainform. Now click on account entity and then click on new button from here. So I want to add calendar control in this section. So firstly navigate Mac.Power App. Now click on solutions and select the solution in which you are working on. Now click on account. So under the data experience, click on forms from here. And now click on account main form. So I want to add calendar control in the summary tab. So on the left hand side, click on components from here. And another way, if you want to click on component, so you can click from here also. Now go to the display group. As you can see, calendar is here. So click on it and drag this control on the form in account information section. Now as you can see, display this screen here and where you will need to set up the properties. So it is important that you set up these properties and what your control is going to show where user look it. So in a table, select account from here. Now click on view drop down. So I want to show you in a calendar control my active account view. So in a table column, click on drop down. Now I want to show you in a created on. And then click on description field drop down. Now here I am selecting as owner. Now in the end date, click on drop down again. Here I am using modified on. And if you want to give the duration, you can give it from here as well as table column. And show component on web, mobile and tablet. Then click on done button. So as you can see, calendar is available on your main form. Now click on save and publish button. Now go back to the Sales Hub application and firstly refresh it. Now as you can see, calendar is available in a account information section. So if you want to create new account, now click on three dot and then click on new account from here. Now as you can see on the right hand side, open a quick create account form. So I am giving account name as testing new calendar and in the description testing calendar. Now click on save and close button. So this record is visible here. If you want to see in a day, week and month. So if I am click on month from here. So today is 12th of December. Now my record is visible here. And if you want to open this record, so it give all of the detail. So in this video we covered how to set up the calendar control in main form in Microsoft Dynamics 365 CE. Thanks for watching.